Hello John, and in this video we are going to be talking about the hex color, hexadecimal. If you remember in our previous video we treated about the RGB and RGBA colors, and you may have noticed if you are checking other people's code, you see different color property and color values. So you see color, people will write color name, maybe they will give it red or blue, and some will start with RGB and others with hash. You are like, how is this possible? So most of the times those color names that started with hash are called hex colors, so hexadecimal in short. So now I create a new file which is index.html. I definitely want to show you how to do that also, so you'll be able to be using that also in your next code. But don't worry, any type of method you use is perfect. So but just for the sake of you knowing that these are the type of the color and the name, so you need to understand this video. So the document, which is the title, I'm going to change it to hexadecimal. So definitely it is hexadecimal. And then you can see the hexadecimal notation. Perfect. So inside here I can have my h1, write some text in there. Hello colors. I think that's perfect. I save it up, but I want to link my CSS to my HTML now, so we definitely want to do that too. I believe you two are doing that exactly. So style.css. And then what next? So we go to our CSS directly. I select the h1, and then I open curly braces, and then give it a color because we want to check the color property. So now we're having white, which is the normal way of writing colors, isn't it? So everybody is familiar with this method, but we also have other ways we can write white without we adding the white but with text by just using the hex method. Why is it not showing it? It's because we're having white background on top of another white text color, white text under on top of white background, so it won't show. But let me highlight it and you are going to see that there's something there, but it's because it's also white and the browser is also white. Let me say the body tag is also white, that's why we're not seeing anything. So I would like to select the body tag from here, and then body, open curly braces, and change the body background color, so it's going to let my text be visible. So background should be gray. Let me save and check out what happened inside the browser by refreshing. So you can see now we are able to see our text perfectly. So what next? So instead of me writing white like this, I want to change it to the hex format, which I'm going to do as FFF. It's either you leave it as 3 or 3F, or you make it 6. So everything is perfect. You can see now it's still retain its color because it understands that if you are having hashtag with 3F, it's still white, or 6Fs, it's still white. So you can see now we still have our white text color. So this method is called hex. So I want to change it to another color. Maybe I put 000, which is black. That's 6 zeros or 3 zeros. You can do anything. It's perfect as far as it is zeros from 3 or 6, not 5, not 4. It won't work. So now you can see the way we added these colors, which is in hex format. Let me try something like ash or gray, I don't know. So you can see now it will change the color with the C4 tag. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe.